So now that we're done designing new different versions of what we have, so I did this with the shirt, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is first edit the code and add a new block. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the original shirt is the first thing that shows up. So in between the when I receive and go to, we're going to go into looks and we're going to switch costume to and change it to the very first costume we have. And we're going to do the same thing for our space key pressed because we want to make sure that it goes back to its original state after being all moved back to where it was. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Next, we want to make sure that when we click on our sprite here on our actual game, that's what activates the changing of the clothes. So we're going to go inside of the yellow events tab. We're going to add when this sprite clicked, and then we're going to go into looks and add a next costume. So we can actually go ahead and test this out by clicking on our green flag, playing our game. So I'm going to change my player. I'm going to add the shirt on and click on it so I can change it, and we see it's working. And I can also click on the spacebar to go back to where everything was. So everything is working. So now that we're done doing it to one, you just have to repeat the same process to do it to the other two pieces of clothing/items that you have for your player.